Welcome to Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator exam preparation course. Whether you are aiming to enhance your cloud expertise, advance your career, or achieve certifications, you are in the right place. This video is designed to guide you through the essentials of Microsoft Azure, offering practical tips, real-world examples, and everything you need to excel in the exam. After each chapter, there's a Q&A section to reinforce your knowledge. For comprehensive preparations, check the description to access the Audible versions, the free Ultimate Exam Prep Guide, or the Amazon link for the book. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam updates and practice. Now, to lead you through this journey, here's your instructor.
1. What is the primary purpose of Azure Virtual Machines? A. Data analytics. B. Networking. C. Hosting applications. D. Storing data. Answer: C. Hosting applications. 2. In Azure, what is used to manage resources like virtual machines and databases? A. Azure Active Directory. B. Azure Resource Manager. C. Azure Blob Storage. D. Azure Logic Apps. Answer: B. Azure Resource Manager. 3. Which Azure service provides scalable cloud storage for data apps and workloads? A. Azure Functions. B. Azure Virtual Network. C. Azure Blob Storage. D. Azure Kubernetes Service. Answer: C. Azure Blob Storage. 4. What is Azure SQL Database best known for? A. Managed Relational Database Service. D. Data Encryption Service. C. Networking Service. D. Application Hosting Service. Answer: A. Managed Relational Database Service. 5. Which of the following is a feature of Azure Virtual Network? A. Data backup. B. Virtual private network. C. Email services. D. Web hosting. Answer: B. Virtual private network. 6. In Azure, what are network security groups, NSGs, used for? A. Data storage. B. Filtering network traffic. C. Managing databases. D. Hosting virtual machines. Answer: B. Filtering network traffic. 7. What does Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, primarily offer? A. Web hosting. D. Database management. C. Container orchestration. D. Virtual networking. Answer: C. Container orchestration. 8. Azure Cosmos DB is best described as A. A virtual machine service. B. A global NoSQL database service. C. A network security service. D. A web hosting service. Answer: B. A global NoSQL database service. 9. What is the primary use of Azure Functions? A. Database analytics. B. Serverless computing. C. Networking. D. Data storage. Answer: B. Serverless computing. 10. Azure Logic Apps is used for A. Building, deploying, and managing virtual machines. B. Automating workflows and business processes. C. Data encryption and security. D. Networking and content delivery. Answer: B. Automating workflows and business processes. 11. In Azure, what service is used for deploying and managing containerized applications? A. Azure Container Instances. B. Azure Virtual Machines. C. Azure Blob Storage. D. Azure App Service. Answer: A. Azure Container Instances. 12. What is Azure Active Directory primarily used for? A. Data analytics. B. Identity and access management. C. Web hosting. D. Database management. Answer: B. Identity and access management. 13. Azure App Service is best suited for A. Hosting databases. B. Building, deploying, and scaling web apps. C. Networking services. D. Data backup and recovery. Answer: B. Building, deploying, and scaling web apps. 14. Which service in Azure is used for integrating on-premises, cloud, and SaaS data? A. Azure SQL Database. B. Azure Data Factory. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure Logic Apps. Answer: B. Azure Data Factory. 15. Azure Load Balancer is used to A. Encrypt data. B. Scale applications. C. Balance incoming internet traffic. D. Manage user identities. Answer: C. Balance incoming internet traffic. 16. What does Azure Express Route offer? A. A managed web hosting service. B. A private connection to Azure services. C. A NoSQL database platform. D. Serverless computing capabilities. Answer: B. A private connection to Azure services. 17. Azure HD Insight is best used for A. Managing virtual networks. B. Cloud-based analytics service. C. Data encryption and security. D. Web application hosting. Answer: B. Cloud-based analytics service. 18. Which Azure service provides disaster recovery capabilities? A. Azure Site Recovery. B. Azure Blob Storage. C. Azure Functions. D. Azure Virtual Network. Answer: A. Azure Site Recovery. 19. Azure DevOps is primarily used for A. Developing, deploying, and managing applications. B. Data storage and management. C. Network traffic analysis. D. Identity and access management. Answer: A. Developing, deploying, and managing applications. 20. What is Azure Information Protection used for? A. Managing virtual machines. B. Protecting sensitive information. C. Web hosting services. D. Data analytics. Answer: B. Protecting sensitive information. 21. Azure Event Grid is designed for A. Database management. B. Managing virtual networks. C. Event-driven server-S computing. D. Large-scale data storage. Answer: C. Event-driven serverless computing. 22. Which service in Azure helps in automating the deployment of resources? A. Azure Logic Apps. B. Azure Resource Manager. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure Functions. Answer: B. Azure Resource Manager. 23. Azure Data Lake is mainly used for A. High-performance computing. B. Scalable data storage and analytics. C. Web application hosting. D. Network traffic management. Answer: B. Scalable data storage and analytics. 24. What is the primary purpose of Azure Cognitive Services? A. To provide virtual machine services. B. To offer AI and machine learning capabilities. C. to manage network security. D, to host databases. Answer: B, to offer AI and machine learning capabilities. 25. Azure Service Fabric is best described as A, a web hosting platform, B, a managed database service, C, a platform for building and managing microservices, D, a tool for network security. Answer: C, a platform for building and managing microservices. 26. What does Azure Application Insights provide? A, web hosting services, B, performance and usage data for live web applications, C, virtual network management, D, data encryption tools. Answer: B, performance and usage data for live web applications. 27. Azure Batch is primarily used for A, large-scale parallel and batch computing, B, web application development, C, database management, D, network optimization. Answer: A, large-scale parallel and batch computing. 28. Azure Media Services is intended for A, streaming digital content, B, data analytics, C, network security, D, cloud storage solutions. Answer: A, streaming digital content. 29. What is the main use of Azure Databricks? A, network management, B, AI and machine learning, C, fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics, D, web hosting. Answer: C, fast, easy, and collaborative Apache Spark-based analytics. 30. Azure Traffic Manager is used for A, data storage, B, routing user traffic for optimal performance, C, web application development, D, identity and access management. Answer: B, routing user traffic for optimal performance. 31. Azure's Internet of Things IoT Hub is primarily used for A, managing web applications, B, connecting, monitoring, and managing IoT assets, C, large-scale data storage, D, network optimization. Answer: B, connecting, monitoring, and managing IoT assets. 32. What is Azure Virtual Network primarily used for? A, creating a dedicated private cloud within Azure, B, web hosting services, C, database management, D, data encryption. Answer: A, creating a dedicated private cloud within Azure. 33. Azure Power BI is best suited for A, business intelligence and data visualization, B, cloud storage solutions, C, web application development, D, network security management. Answer: A, business intelligence and data visualization. 34. What is the main function of Azure Application Gateway? A, web application firewall, B, data analytics service, C, virtual machine service, D, IoT device management. Answer: A, web application firewall. 35. Azure Key Vault is used for A, managing cryptographic keys and secrets, B, web hosting, C, network traffic control, D, data storage and management. Answer: A, managing cryptographic keys and secrets. 36. Azure Container Registry is designed for A. Storing and managing container images, B. Web application scaling, C. Data encryption, D. Virtual networking. Answer: A. Storing and managing container images. 37. What is Azure Redis Cache primarily used for? A. Enhancing performance by caching frequently accessed data. B. Web hosting services. C. Database management. D. Network security. Answer: A. Enhancing performance by caching frequently accessed data. 38. Azure Search is best described as A. A search as a service solution, B. A data analytics tool, C. A web hosting service, D. A virtual machine service. Answer: A. A search as a service solution. 39. Azure Bastion provides A. Secure and seamless RDP/SSH connectivity to virtual machines, B. Data storage solutions, C. Web application development tools, D. IoT device management. Answer: A. Secure and seamless RDP/SSH connectivity to virtual machines. 40. What is the primary use of Azure Active Directory B2C? A. Managing business to consumer identity experiences, B. Cloud storage management, C. Web hosting, D. Network traffic analysis. Answer: A. Managing business to consumer identity experiences. 41. Azure Front Door Service is primarily used for A. Global web application acceleration and load balancing, B. Database management, C. Secure data storage, D. Virtual machine deployment. Answer: A. Global web application acceleration and load balancing. 42. What is the main purpose of Azure Lighthouse? A. Web hosting, B. Managing Azure services across multiple tenants, C. Data encryption, D. Network traffic optimization. Answer: B. Managing Azure services across multiple tenants. 43. Azure Sentinel is best described as A. A cloud-native SIEM service, B. A data storage solution, C. A web development platform, D. A virtual networking tool. Answer: A. A cloud-native SIEM service. 44. What does Azure Blockchain Service primarily offer? A. Cryptocurrency mining, B. A platform for building and managing blockchain applications, C. Data analytics services, D. Network security solutions. Answer: B. A platform for building and managing blockchain applications. 45. Azure Policy is used for A. Enforcing organizational standards and assessing compliance, B. Web hosting and development, C. Virtual machine management, D. Data encryption and protection. Answer: A. Enforcing organizational standards and assessing compliance. 46. The primary use of Azure Blueprint is A. Building and deploying complex environments, B. Data storage and analytics, C. Web application firewall, D. Network traffic management. Answer: A. building and deploying complex environments. 47. What is Azure IoT Central primarily used for? A. Developing web applications. B. Building and managing IoT applications with minimal coding. C. Data storage solutions. D. Network security. Answer: B. Building and managing IoT applications with minimal coding. 48. Azure Sphere is designed for A. Securely managing IoT devices. B. Web hosting services. C. Large-scale data storage. D. Creating virtual networks. Answer: A. Securely managing IoT devices. 49. Azure Quantum is best used for A. Quantum computing and research. B. Network optimization. C. Web application development. D. Database management. Answer: A. Quantum computing and research. 50. What is the main function of Azure Private Link? A. Providing private network access to Azure services. B. Data analytics. C. Web hosting. D. Managing virtual machines. Answer: A. Providing private network access to Azure services. 51. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, is primarily for A. Container orchestration. B. Data storage and analysis. C. Web application firewall services. D. Virtual network management. Answer: A. Container orchestration. 52. What is Azure Active Directory domain services primarily used for? A. Web hosting. B. Providing managed domain services. C. Data encryption and security. D. Network traffic analysis. Answer: B. Providing managed domain services. 53. Azure Firewall is best described as A. A network security service that filters network traffic. B. A data storage solution. C. A web development platform. D. A tool for virtual machine management. Answer: A. A network security service that filters network traffic. 54. What is the primary use of Azure Information Protection? A. Managing user identities. B. Protecting sensitive information and controlling its access. C. Web hosting. D. Data analytics. Answer: B. Protecting sensitive information and controlling its access. 55. Azure Logic Apps is used for A. Automated workflow creation for apps, data, and services. B. Virtual machine deployment. C. Network optimization. D. Large-scale data storage. Answer: A. Automated workflow creation for apps, data, and services. 56. Azure Service Fabric is mainly for A. Data storage and management. B. Developing and managing microservices and container-based applications. C. Web hosting. D. Network security. Answer: B. Developing and managing microservices and container-based applications. 57. What does Azure Monitor primarily offer? A. Web hosting services. B. Comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry. C. Virtual network solutions. D. Data encryption and security. Answer B. Comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry. 58. Azure Data Lake Storage is best used for A. Secure and massively scalable data lake storage. B. Virtual machine management. C. Web application development. D. Network traffic control. Answer A. Secure and massively scalable data lake storage. 59. Azure HD Insight offers A. Cloud-based analytics service using open source frameworks. B. Data encryption services. C. Web application hosting. D. Virtual network management. Answer A. Cloud-based analytics services using open source frameworks. 60. The main purpose of Azure Virtual Desktop is A. Data storage and management. B. Delivering a virtual desktop experience to any device. C. Web application firewall. D. Network traffic analysis. Answer B. Delivering a virtual desktop experience to any device.